Welcome to the channel. Excel is Magical and part 6 of the Lookup series from my virtual training sessions. In this video, we are going to learn how to use HLookup function of Excel to search for a data stored in horizontal way. If you are not aware of VLookup function and directly watching this, I recommend you to please watch the previous parts of the series to have a better understanding of this video. And also, here I have shown how to create a drop-down list on cells using data validation tool of Excel. Now let's see a requirement and how HLookup is used to solve this. If you want to search in a horizontal way, like see, I have a requirement. There's a template here. There's a drop-down created with a validation list. Correct? I think some of you know how to create this list. If you don't know, just a quick one. I'll not spend more time on it because it's not a part of the agenda. Look at this. I have to just click on a cell. I have to go to data validation. Okay, data validation. Actually, if you want to bring this kind of drop downs, okay, from this source list. Actually, this is showing me all the city names here, like all these city names, like Florida, Georgia, like all this which is here is being shown here, right? So I can create a list by clicking on a cell, data validation, and I can change this option to list. I'll go quickly run because it's not a part. Okay, just might help you if you go through my recording later. List in the source. In the source, you have to either type these items or select it from a range. If you are typing it, put a comma separator like yes, no, male, female, something like that you want to write as items in a source. Okay, you can write it or you can select it. Good practice is not to bring it from the same sheet. You should try to keep it in a separate sheet in this book. Go and bring from there. That's the best option because people might change it and it might affect your lists. So a good practice, keep this kind of list in a separate worksheet and try and go and bring from there. So now I'll just bring it here directly. So just bring it from here. All right. So this to this. I click OK. So my drop down is created here, right? That is the same way I've made this drop down. Now, based on this drop down, I need to bring the grand total, I believe. Grand total is this row, right? So what I do equals to, I cannot do VLookup here. Very simple reason. This is not vertical. This is not arranged vertical. It is arranged horizontal. VLookup fails here. So I write HLookup. I write HLookup. Lookup value. What is lookup value? This is the one. Comma. Table array. So here in the table array, your selection should start from one row to other row. So it will start searching on the topmost row and can bring anything below that row. So it can't go reverse. Huh? VLookup cannot do reverse lookup. See in VLookup, you search something and bring something this side. You can't bring something this side. You can't say bring me -1. There is no -1 option in VLookup and also in HLookup. Okay, but Excel has a solution. I'll come back to that. Not through VLookup. So anyway, HLookup cannot go up. Imagine based on this number you want to bring the city. You can't do that. Okay, it can't do reverse lookup. So now I will go from here. I will go down till here because I want the grand total, right? Now grand total is the 7th row below. You could see a tiny box bottom right corner. Says 7R, 7C. See right now it says 1R, 2R, 3R, 4R, 5R, 6R, 7. That means I have moved 7 rows below. So that is what is my required retrieving data. I'll put a comma. Row index number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'll write that 7. Comma. And the last parameter, of course, you are looking on city. Should I go with 0 or 1 or none? Come on, quick. In few seconds. 0 or 1 or none. Last parameter, 0, 1 or none. 0. Yeah, so it is a 0 match. So if I don't put anything, is it okay? No, if I don't put anything, it takes approximate, correct? Need an exact match here, so we can't omit that. You can't ignore that. You have to put 0 here. You are all right. Close the bracket, enter. Here you go. I'm able to do my horizontal lookup as well. So everywhere I'm able to get my information. So this is about the HLookup, guys. Hope now you are aware of how you can use the HLookup function of Excel to horizontally search and retrieve required information. That's it in this video, and in the next video we are going to learn how can we perform two-way lookup in Excel using the combination of two great lookup functions, VLookup and match. Thanks for watching this video and hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, give a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my YouTube channel Excel is Magical, and hit that bell to get notifications whenever I put on new videos. See you in my next video.